Today we're going to look at a 1956 Ford F100 in Mariposa for Uncle Gary that's been looking for one of these for a few years. This is my brother-in-law Hunter. He's a PG&E lineman. He found this truck sitting on a guy's property while he was doing a job and talked to the old man, and he said that he would sell it. So now we're going to go check it out today. This is Uncle Gary. He owns a cabinet shop in Reedley. So let's find out what it looks like when we get there.
That dog might look a little more normal. No, that's him.
Oh, that worked out well.
Yeah, dude. This dog looks like a hyena. How you doing, sir?
Right.
Just the guy we're looking for. You have that 56 Ford up here for sale, don't you? Well, hopefully it's for sale.
My dad lost a pink slip.
Mm-hmm. So I was the lineman that hooked up
Hey.
power a few weeks ago to your well.
Yeah.
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 And you told me it was for sale then, and we were wondering if we could come look at it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Do you care if I pull up there?
Yeah.
All right. We'll be up there. Thank you, sir. What was your name?
Harlan.
Harlan. Nice to meet you. I'm Hunter. This is my Uncle Gary.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Harlan. Nice to meet you, Harlan.
All right.
Well, that's a blessing.
Dog looks better, but it still looks like it's got a little bit of mange. He's the chicken house.
He's a chicken. Rooster. Okay.
Oh boy. Is that a Trans Am or a Camaro? Oh, he's got a panel truck too?
I like that. There's your truck up there. See that there?
He's got a camper truck.
Brett's dialing in. Mm-hmm. Holy cow. All this stuff.
That's heel cars.
I know.
Well, here's the truck. Let's see what it looks like. Original seat.
tailgate's always got tuned up.
Yeah, that's not a big deal. You could buy a new one. I think you know how to do.
Hubcaps my dad's thing.
Really?
I think you know how to do a new bed floor.
Yeah, I know, guys.
Oh, it's got an original heater. It's cool.
Here's a sidewalk.
Yeah. This should sit on here.
Looks like it's connected to the hinges. Oh, wow. That is cool.
I bet you did.
I'm no Ford guy, but I think someone swapped this thing already. And it wouldn't have had a Thunderbird motor in them.
That's all cooler than what we were gonna do.
I'd definitely reuse the valve covers. That's awesome. Alright, Gary, I'd buy this truck.
You would?
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. It's pretty complete, very original.
Oh, this is the custom cab. My dad's was not the custom cab.
That.
So like on that outside of that door, is there a lock?
Yeah. Yes.
So like, the custom cab. One of the things they did was they added a lock. So whenever I locked it, you push down like this, and then I had to go out that door and unlock it. Or go around. That was one thing. It might have.
I think you could just make this thing run, put some new tires on it, and play with it for a while.
Like. Look like ice cream. White and blue.
What do you think?
It's like I think my dad had I think it was a 272 V8 or.
Yeah, I'm not a Ford guy. I don't know what they had. I guess it'd be the white block, which I think that's what that is. So I wonder if they just put Thunderbird valve covers on it. Well, you got a number in your head? He's coming up. Yeah, it's like someone louvered it.
Oh, it is.
Huh. Look how they pop riveted on the outside. That's kind of neat.
I think we Give him a call in a few days.
So I didn't record the conversation with the old man because he's had a stroke recently and he was having a little bit of a hard time talking, so I didn't want to record him out of respect for him. But Jerry, you want to talk about it?
Yeah, well, it's a good truck. He's got a friend that really wants it, supposedly out of Kingsburg. I did make him an offer, but he wants to, I guess, check with his friend and see if he really wants it. He's given that guy first dibs on it, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens here.
Yeah, so we left him our Gary's phone number and we got Harlan's phone number, so all we can do is check back later with them and see what happened. But
Call every Friday until he says yes.
it was definitely a very solid truck. I looked it over with flashlight underneath and everything. I didn't see any rot, and it would be an excellent starting point, that's for sure, for a project. So hopefully it'll work out.